Good morning, viewers. Hmm. We are having some project at Shama Tadika. And now we have finished our beams. We were having some cantilever. This place is 3 feet cantilever. And this place too is 4 feet cantilever. It's a design house, yeah. So as you can see, maybe someone may ask, why are you loading the beam? Because of the tension, because of the projection. So you need to tension the top, and every cantilever need the tension at the top. Yeah, so it's very necessary to load the top rather than the down. Yeah. So as you can see, we have finished our main beams. We have made the dropping. So as you can see, yeah. So you can see the hammer over there is doing the marking, the lacing bars. So now we are about to lay the bars, which is called the distribution bars. So you can see the chalk mark, which lacing bars. So now you can see. I've seen it. Yeah, we use at the top of the floor because our destination is far. The place we live is far from here, so we need to sleep here. So if in case of you give us work in a far place, yeah, and you provide and you give us some place to sleep, yeah, we can sleep and do your work need for you and leave. So now you can see we have finished our secret beams. This is called secret beams. The secret beam. I used to help the main beams. For the main beams to know to carry the low. Yeah, they share. So now you can see. Seen it. So if you can see, you have loaded the top bar with the cantilever. Because it's very long. It's about 4 feet, not about 4. It's 4 feet exactly. 4 feet cantilever. So now you can see. On it. It's about 2 days now. We just finished the main beams and the secret beams. And you know, the way you know us, it's the same thing. We are working here. Yeah. We are working as a one group with happiness. So you can see the secret beams and the tension bars and things. So now we are about to lay the bar. So we'll continue to give you the update of everything that we did over here. So it has been a long time to see our video, but we are praying to may the Almighty God to give us more work so that you will see more. So now you can see. So now remember what video or half video I rock or be or be okay. You can see the steps. This is your stereo. This is your stereo. Our Rastaman too is in here. Our Rastaman.
So that was a knee for you, our steel bender here on the channel. One viewer of, I'll say a subscriber, have seen what we're doing here, and he has his own team. He has his own mason, his own carpenter, but I think he needed help with the steel work, so he got in touch with us, and here we are with the team helping him out. And that's what we do as a production group here. You can come for our service, you can use our carpenter, you can use our mason, you can use our plumber, anything that you need, we are here to help and to support. So that's what the guys have been up to with this project. So far it's going well, it's going amazing. Get it to the end of the video, you will see the job being done here. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly please do so.
This is the whole video. Yeah, now we are laying the bus. You can see they are sweeping the roads. This is the cantilever that I'm talking about. This is the 3 feet cantilever. The 4 feet cantilever. This is the port. Everything it's a long way small outside. This portion is 2 feet. 2 feet around. So you can see it. I'm listen it. Listen it. Someone may ask, why don't you take or flow this area? Because it's a step this area. Because when they flow it, there's no access to that place. There's nothing counterpart. There's nothing they will do over there. That's why. So you can see. This is what they do. Yeah. So,
So with time, you can see the guys have already done the distribution bars. They have to straighten it, to get the spatials right. And one thing that we've noticed is that, with time, things keep reducing, and the iron rods are being reduced. Some of the sizes are not at the right. This thing started a long time ago, but I think now most of the distributors or most of the people that produce these materials are reducing the size. Before it was just some few people that were doing it, companies, but now it's like everybody is doing it. So what we are also doing is that we are also reducing the space, so that we can distribute the weight. And yeah, that's how we have to go. So meaning you have to buy a little bit more of iron rods so that we could get that balance in there. But that's not so much money. Just maybe I think maybe you're going to buy 5 more pieces depending on the project. So you're going to buy some few pieces that you're going to add up. So if you watch carefully, you could see getting to the end, the edge, we've done a mat. It's called a mat. We've doubled the iron rods here, and then when you go a little bit further, you see that it's just one single. These are all engineering work. We have huge cantilevers, so we have to support it, and that's where the plumbing work comes. We've left the space for it, for the plumber to do his work, have the space. So if you watch carefully, getting to the edges, it's all double mat. And I'm really happy with the work these guys have done here, and the owner also will really, these guys have done a good job. If you are someone who knows, engineering with steel bending, you can see what these guys have done here. And I can also tell you that this has cost the owner a little bit more. The owner is not taking any chances here. With that double mat, I think the owner has done a good job. So this is the staircase area. That's what he was explaining, because it was a staircase area, so they couldn't do the cantilever there because there's no way you're gonna walk. There's no place for you to go. So I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel. Please get in touch with me if you need any steelworks. If you need a carpenter, you can get in touch with me. I will send one to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next episode. Look at Tui.